Okay, my name is Wisdom Ogechi.
All right, Mr. Wisdom, you don't need to give us your last name. Just your first name is enough. I know be like you na Supreme, where they call people first name, last name, and phone number out. Made them go. I'm just trying to address you correctly. Anyway, thank you, Mr. Wisdom, for joining today. What are your thoughts on the topic? Ndigbo, do we need Biafra?
Okay. I understand the topic very well, and then I get all of the whole point. But still, I just want to say something out of my mind.
All right. Before you
We've
say what's out of your mind, one second.
At one
Mr.
point,
Wisdom,
just
Mr.
like you
Wisdom,
said
Mr.
before you
Wisdom,
brought me up,
Mr. Wisdom, Mr. Wisdom, Mr. Wisdom.
We've all at one
Mr.
point
Wisdom.
believed some
to
lies.
the host, Oga.
All right.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Anything
I
we
think
will
he
not
has
fit do for Radio Biafra,
network
no bring am
problems.
here. Oh.
All right, we'll go bring the next guest on here. Let's keep liking and sharing and get more people here to join the conversation. Yeah. Thank you.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, sir.
All right. Do you? What's your name, Mister? What's your name?
I'm not good at English like that, but I can speak broken.
It's okay. If English broken, mix it up
No,
with Igbo, that's okay. What's your name?
I'm from Ebonyi State.
What is your name?
My Igbo name is Innocent Cheka Pascal. I'm from Ebonyi State.
All right, Mr. Innocent. Ndigbo, do we need Biafra? All right, I think this guy has network issues here. We're not going to have and there's some background noise that is bothering my ear anyway. So let's bring him down. Let's get to the next guest here. Let's keep liking and sharing and get more people here to join the conversation. Facebook people, I see you. Make I read some chats from Facebook. Zuma, Mr. Zuma, if you want to mute yourself for a second, make I read some chats from Facebook here, and because they matter too. Before we get back into it, let me see. Igwe Abuchi. All right, we're not gonna read that. Let's see. Clifford, my brother, we don't need Biafra. The geographical area called Biafra is landlocked. There's no geographical area called Biafra anyway. But Clifford Wachuku, I greet you. Thank you for being here. Igwe Abuchi says Biafra is dead. Absolutely, absolutely. Let's see who else is here. Femi Oludevi, Chijoke Aharanwa, Kenneth Onyebuchi, Bello Kingsley, Eshe Godson, Matthias Oibokie, and the rest of the beautiful people on Facebook. I greet you guys. All right, let's see. I think we have some traction on YouTube today. Let's see. Nigeria Bello 3183 says Biafran brainwashed too many. Yep. That's what we're trying. That's the brainwash we're trying to rewash today. And moving forward. Igbos, we are using calories and transactions. I believe that's when Chioma was talking about Toro and the other guest. Anyway, Ebuka, says Ebuka is not educated enough to hold this conversation. Anyway, thank you, people on YouTube. I greet you guys. Thank you for joining. Augustine Onuchuku, he says, no people call Barcelona. It is area like, all right. Anyway, let's keep the show going. Mr. Zuma, let us hear your thoughts. Ndigbo, do we need Biafra?
Yeah, greeting everyone. Greeting to Auntie Chioma and you also. And I want to cut this short.
She go like the auntie or just call her Chioma, right? Chioma is good enough, right, Chioma?
Anything, just go.
Okay. Yeah, okay. Thank you. About the topic, the truth is you people will not go far with this topic actually, because all this what the Biafra has been mentioned through
Zuma,
Ojuku.
Mr. Zuma.
Yeah.
Do we need Biafra? Let's start from there.
No, actually, you don't need Biafra. But I'll just give me a few seconds. Just a few seconds.
All right, yeah. The show today is to talk to people who think that we need Biafra. So I don't know this one. You come say we no go far with them. I don't know where that's coming from. But
That's what I'm saying.
No, it doesn't say based on who don't come on stage since we no go far with the conversation because they go to storm. That's what is that what you're trying to say, Mr. Zuma?
All right, Mr. Zuma, if you want to unmute yourself, then just 30 seconds. Let us allow you that submission so that we can keep the show going. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. This goes like this. All the time that people have used the word Biafra is for personal interest, from Ojuku to Ralph Wazirike to Nnamdi Kanu. So bringing it to Igbo, there is nothing attached to Biafra and Igbo. So clearly, we don't need Biafra. The Biafra of the thing haven't done anything good to Igbo. It has always bring destruction, chaos, whatever that you call it. So all the people that will be coming here today will not have anything to submit. That's just the truth.
That's what he's trying to
That's
tell.
just the truth.
I see.
So thank you. That's all.
Thank you, Mr.
So,
Zuma. I
thank you,
appreciate
Mr.
you.
Zuma.
Thank you.
Thank
All
you
right.
for coming.
Make we hear Benny GH. We've been done bring you up before. It wasn't almost pleasant, but you're next on the
No,
queue.
let him come up. Maybe the second time might be the charm.
Okay. All right, Benny, I hope you would be able to tell us where you're from, because I don't have the time to be running around with you trying to figure out where you're from. It's a direct question. Mr. Benny, where are you from?
I said I am an Igbo Biafra from Anambra State.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Benny. Do we need, obviously you say you be Igbo Biafran, but
Yeah.
why do we need Biafra then, as in the Igbo?
I will speak now for myself. I am not speaking for anybody because you are speaking for yourself. I will also speak for myself. I and my family need Biafra to feel belong. Biafra make me satisfied. Being a Biafra make me satisfied. It make me feel belong.
What about it? Give us
And I
specifically
need
what
it.
about it makes you feel like you belong in the world.
Yes. Yes.
What
It makes
about
me
it? Like, give
feel.
us instances. Like, what about Biafra makes you feel like you belong?
I said Biafra. You asked me a question and I answer you. I said
I'm
Biafra
asking you a
make me
question
feel.
of what you said. You said Biafra makes you feel like you belong with your family.
Can you calm
So I'm
down a
saying,
little
give
bit,
us
madam?
instances.
You sound.
Mr. Benny, she's not agitated. She's asking you a follow-up to the question.
She's sounding like
Mr.
one.
Mr. Benny.
Shut the fuck up!
Mr. Benny.
You see what I'm saying?
I'm talking to you
I'm so
calmly.
damaged.
I sound
Why
like
you
I sound like okay.
All right. Mr. Benny, I
Don't
don't know.
patronize me. Not do it gently. The examples of how do you feel like you belong? She sounded. Who gives a fuck what I sound like?
Mr. Benny.
Kind of does not
Madam,
sound like anything. You guys
why
go
are
there
you
and
sounding
you
so
obey.
bitter?
So sound the way you sound. And I asked you a question following up what you said. I said, okay, in a belong go to the thing. How does it make you belong? Give us examples. I'm sounding. Like, don't do that shit with me. What is it?
Yep. Choma is not the one. Choma is not the two. Choma is not the one. She's not the two. She's not the three.
I'm not the one.
So make una now I need to calm down.
If I even love it, somebody says it makes me feel like I belong. Follow up question is she make it feel like like I didn't even start what about Osumeju. I said, but what about it makes you? Very simple question.
It's a simple follow-up question.
Simple question. And we give one you catch yourself if you become Biafran after this whole thing.
Right.
Never knew.
I want to feel belong too now.
You
Who knows like to feel belong,
I don't
right?
say me, I don't already belong, Tete, but go on, in actually they belong. So, so why are you now saying she's sounding? I cannot sound 10,000 times more agitated, and you people sit there for 5 hours and you listen, and when you go there, you cower, you say director, uncle. So when you come here, you better put respect on my name. I am the one. Okay?
Yep.
If Choi be at yours, even unlike Kachi, I will even bring Igbo. I bring my English down. I bring my down. Me taking at the level of your comfort, but too natural. Let's go to the next person.
And I think it's also a way to deflect. You know, when someone, obviously that's what deflection means. When someone asks you a question and you don't have the answers for it, you start deflecting. Why are you doing this? Calm down. Why are you doing that? No, just answer the question.
Why are you? But now you belong as B. I even wanted to hear that because she said, I'm speaking for me and my family. So, I belong. Because every human being in this world, Kachi, all jokes aside, everybody wants to belong. That is why people have peers. If you're in school, you want to belong. That's why people join clubs. That's why people join associations. In fact, I can even understand why people who feel feel disenfranchised within Nigeria, poor people who I think are the only marginalized people. Imagine if they now found another thing. So there is a section of them that want to belong. So if you can tell us how, maybe we want to belong too. You never know.
Right.
Mr. Analog, you're next.